What's going on, AB gang? Back with another Tyke and Sam's Lumber Co. video. Hey, let's get into it. Yay! Guys, just remember to like and subscribe if you like our content. Make sure to check out some of our other stuff too. Even though it's mostly just this game, we do have a little bit more sprinkled in. So let's get straight into the video. Okay. So we left off with the night section with 2 more animatronics, Summer Crab and Chipper 2.0. A little bit hard because the flashlight really sucks, but still fun. And now we're in night 3, or day 3. Ow. Okay, so yeah, just cut straight into it. Okay, guys, as much as I hate to admit it, I did have to watch a technical guide, so I get a slight knowing of what we're gonna be doing this night. So yeah. Remember, thank you. Okay, 15 lumber, then we need to farm wood. Wow, you guys are really big. Okay, let's just farm this wood. We need 20 wood, and then we can finish the one. Actually, okay, we need 20 wood so we can finish the lumber. Well, let's just farm wood for now. And the chipple mats will get us some lumber. Told ya. Already only need 2 more lumber. Oh, we got some extra wood. Nice. Yeah. Hopefully the farming in this video takes a little less than last video, because it took up like half of the time. But I will do it as fast as I can for you guys, so you can get as much as the game as you can get.
Oh, hi guys.
Yo, Bean, the bean machine that makes beans. What's going on, Bean?
Well, Alexa, please don't pound me down.
Oh, okay, sorry, Bean. Okay, so, what we have to do right now is we have to make,
By the way, guys, our dad just left to go get upset.
Wait,
Our dad is leaving to get us food.
did we just get a fish from, oh my god.
So guys, if you guys hear, if it's not really that loud in here, that's why.
Yeah, because we're going to be eating our yummy food.
And we might stop talking.
Beans, you okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, like when you fall, the part that hurts most is your Okay, 36. We only need 20 more. Oh, yeah. Well, these are getting fully grown a lot faster now. The bag. Oh, we got enough. We got enough. We got enough. We got enough. I think. And yeah, we got enough. Craft. Fill. Yay! Sibo wants to fix. Okay, so I did my task, which was place a shipwreck and a wooden bird, and I did that, and now I need to meet up with Seabell. Alright. See how Seabell's doing. Whoa, does Seabell actually live here? Yes, bro, he does. It's his cabin. And we are talking about the one and only Seabell? The one who survived the most brutal robot attack to date? We do, bro. Stylish hat, exotic residence, owner of Seabell Industries. That's him. Whoa, that's sick. I'm his biggest fan. Especially the story of him surviving the robot attack is incredible. But he doesn't want to talk about that really. You gotta respect that. Understand? Understood. Thanks. The wooden bird and broken ship will come in handy someday, I assume. For now, I don't really have any tasks for you, and I think it's only fair that I give you something in return. Oh, thank you, Seabell. No, not money. Who told you I would actually pay you with money? I have something far better. Ooh. What? Some people are talking about me outside? They mentioned a robot attack? I feel a bit uncomfortable talking about that, but I guess you deserve to know. It happened a few years ago. I was attacked at night. A giant killer robot. A loud noise woke me up. I looked out the window and saw the machine.
I thought he looked out the window.
It had weapons all over it, and it looked like a giant floating egg.
By the way, guys, I thought he said he looked out the window.
He did look out the window.
But he didn't go outside.
Yeah, I tried reaching out with my wing, hoping that it'd come in peace. Doing it like an adult, you know. The only thing I got in return was a blue light beam that destroyed my house. I ended up lying in piles of burnt down wood that once were my cabin. But surprisingly, I was unharmed. Oh, good for you, Seabell. To this day, people think that I'm invincible, but that's rubbish. I was simply lucky. By the way, rubbish, it means trash if you're not British. It was a sad thing, though, as I lost a whole lot of money that was stored in the cabin. But bad things happen from time to time, and I'm just happy that I'm still alive. Anyway, back to the main topic now. What I actually wanted to give you was this: the key card to the elevator that leads to the most epic place you'll ever visit. Ooh, go take a look. You will like what's down there. I wonder what's down there. Oh, do a little dance. Whoa! Good disco. So calm and relaxing. What did you say? Sorry, the music is really loud. That's why I'm screaming like this. I'm not here for the music. It's too loud. I just think the DJ is really cute. What? Here. Oh, we're going in another elevator?
Where are you?
So I went in an elevator and it led me to a club. And I'm going back up now to Seabell's cabin, I think.
go back down another time?
Yeah, I think you can go down there like a whole bunch of times. Like instantly. Alright, oh here. Staff only. I'm staff. Because I'm not.
Look at the DJ.
Yeah, this girl says that they're only here because they're cute. I don't really see it.
Let's go back.
What do you see? The wooden bird?
How about him?
He's wooden. He's like a statue. I'm going back up. I'm not.
Where are we going up? We need to go down.
Are you sure? I don't know. Okay. Maybe a speed up for this. Now, honestly, a club down here is what I least expected. Wait, I can oh my god. I can dance down here. This is awesome. Hey, that's a beaver dance? Rad! Aren't you the son of Tyke Chop, son of the great Chipper Chop? I heard that your family had some sick remixes to offer back in the days. You should ask your father if he can lend us a classic beavery remix. Okay.
That's what we're supposed to do, Alan.
Yeah, I guess we gotta go to my dad now. Ugh.
I told you how to stay downstairs.
No, the DJ told me to go to my dad.
How old do you think you are?
My character?
You look like you're 5.
No, maybe. I guess it's like 13.
I would say like 10.
Yeah, 10 works too.
He looks like he's 10. But with that height, he looks like he's
Where are you?
Dad, I'm right here, man. When we get down, Dad, I'm right here, right in front of you.
Dad, I'm right here. I'm right in
Right
front of you. Hey, yo, good that you're here. Listen, I need your help again. One of my older robots that the top was destroyed reactivated himself and now runs amok in the dump. Still owe me one since the coffee incident yesterday. Go fight the robot. Make it go away, I don't care, as long as our precious company is safe dead. Good luck, son. Okay.
Something else we needed, actually.
Oh, wait. I don't feel it now. Something happened that really upsets me. I was supposed to get trashed, yet I'm working perfectly fine. I woke up here in the dump this morning. You animals wanted to trash me. You disgusting, smelly animals. Look at my six-pack. I'm ripped! Ripped! I'm going to crush you. I'm going to smash you to the ground, sit on you, tear you apart, and make lumber out of you. Think you can stop me? Even your stupid father is too scared to face me. That's why he sent you. He knows that I'm strong. He made me and forgot to permanently turn me off. Sad thing. Time to suffer, beaver boy. Don't call me beaver boy! Your access won't get you far. Take this! You okay? Nom 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 nom.
You just made lumber out of it.
Hey, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Your axes won't get you far, wood boy. They call you Pinocchio. Because you got a really big nose. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's strong.
Lost one hose.
I know. I only have 4 of those. Take this.
He said, I'll make a number out of you. You make a number out of him.
Ouch!
So the other way around, you're so dummy. Because
Please use a dummy robot. I'll be fine. I can do this. Trust me.
big pressure.
Owie.
Bad Alexa.
Oh, I think he's dead.
We made lumber out of him, guys.
Beaver dance.
Guys, we just made lumber out of him. Either way, he said he would make lumber out of us. How did we get here so fast?
I don't know. I knew you could do it. Overall, a pretty neat battle. I give it a 7 out of 10. So the DJ in Seabill's Underground Disco wanted a Beavery song with a sick beat. We'll have to say I can't deliver. I was young once too. I know what's hit. This one is called "Look What You Made Me Chop" by Timber Swift.
Taylor Swift! Man, he's so dumb!
What an old classic. Who can dislike that? I hope the few scratches on the disc haven't done anything to the tune. There's no better way to know than to try it out. Go, son, and tell me if they liked it. Okay, Papa, I will make you proud.
Why is this like that?
It's 2.0.
This is what you do. Somehow I'm doing it.
Here we go.
I love you, stay someday. Wait, we don't have the CD.
We do. Where? In my inventory.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
He's not talking about fries, by the way. I have to have it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's try this out.
If you guys don't see, he's shaking everything on his body. And I don't.
Whoa. Oh yeah, this goes hard.
You guys see this?
Oh. I just fell straight through the floor.
Everybody fell.
Whoa. What is this, Donkey Kong?
Where'd everybody else go?
Hey,
Are you slacking off? I hope not. Back to work. Wait, your helmet. Where's your helmet? Just wear your helmet at all times. Here, catch. Okay, whatever. These robots don't build themselves. Go gather materials for the case. Like 200 Robo-Rocks and put them in the container over here. Okay, I'll make you proud. Our barrels are really weak. Even a mouse would break them. Oh, I can't. Water. Need key card. No key card detected. Screw you. Look at my little dancing boy. Look at him. He's so cool. Let's go with this. This is the 5th helmet I've lost this week. The inspector is gonna get so angry when he comes back. Oh, you're done for them.
He's done for.
Yeah. No more him.
He's gonna get smacked beside his head with a quarter. Ka-choo! By the way, guys, it's not that loud in here because our dad left to go get us something.
Yep.
So if you guys hear nothing except for our voices, that's why.
Yep.
weekend off.
Where
And
can we get a key card?
we have a weekend off and we don't know what to do, so we're just gonna make videos all weekend.
Yeah. For y'all's.
Yeah, for entertainment. Look at my guy. Look at my dancey guy. This is the 5th helmet that I lost. It probably fell all the way down the sewers.
Where can we get a key card? No, I don't think they have it.
Wait, go all the way up.
Okay.
Wait, go down. No.
This way?
Yeah, look at that.
The door. I can't come through it.
Wait, go this way.
There's a door over there too.
Look at my dancing guy. Look at him.
Yes, the sunsets.
Wait, go down.
Hmm?
Let's see if there's anything over here.
It's just barrels.
A mouse could be.
Yeah.
Got all trash? All of the trashes?
Yeah, the houses. How do we break the barrels? Can't push them.
Yeah. Wait, one of them
Let's have a key card.
yeah.
Oh,
A
there's
helmet. We
We
need
can give it to that one guy. He doesn't have it. Here you go. My helmet, thank you. I have a secondary key card. Take it before the emergency supplies. Can't they see I'm clearly not a bird?
Yeah.
I'm a beaver.
You're a beaver.
Key card accepted. Happy mining. Like Minecraft? Ooh. Me, Tattletale. Me, love you. Oh, yeah. We only have a second.
Cause I'm fat, you know it. If you guys want to hear that song, search up I'm fat.
It's amazing.
Yeah. It's by Weird Al.
How do we get there?
Down. Wait, go down the slide.
Path. And
Your
idea. Okay, so according to my calculations,
down.
oh, we gotta get all the stuff.
Wait, down. What?
Yeah. Specific rocks, but yeah. The ones that don't look like they have diamonds.
Okay. Wait, the break. That.
Oh yeah, we did. Thanks for pointing that out.
Down in the lower.
Where are we?
We are down. There. Oh, have to do another one. That's gonna take you a long time. When you go down,
Ooh. Break that.
go over here. Wait, go down.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
When I'm going to the movies, I take up 7 rows because I'm fat. I'm fat. You don't know it. You break down.
Alright, then we should get there.
I'm going to the movies. I take up 7 rows because I'm fat. I'm fat. You know it.
Hey, I'm on.
Whoa.
Ouch! I mean, I still got it, so.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so we got all of them here.
Yeah.
Dr. Rose. Yeah, it's all good. Gotta get there first. Whoa! And this. I think we're the smartest people in all of existence.
Oh my god. This is gonna take so long. If you did that one.
No! Oh no! Oh! Yeah.
Guys, we never got to this part, so we don't know how to.
Yeah.
But if you guys want us to play a different game, comment down below.
Yeah, comment down game you want comment down game you want to see us try.
Cause this is only our second game that we played.
Okay, well, yeah, if you want to see us try a game, tell us, but if the game costs money, then we probably we're broke.
Yeah,
We're only kids, man.
we're not gonna say our ages, but we might say that in a different.
Yeah. Maybe like an age reveal video.
Yeah. We're probably gonna do a YouTube short for that.
Yeah.
Cause I could do that on my iPad.
Go!
I said 3, 2, and then I said 1. That was a bad idea.
And I said, go! Wario, man.
You ain't. But we'll say your names in a different video. Because his name is actually not Alexa. Because he's a boy.
It's kind of close to it, though.
He's a boy. And Alexa is a girl name. But he's a boy.
Go.
And I'm a girl.
Oh, I did it!
Before he has a sister.
Go!
I thought you were gonna die.
Oh, wait,
don't
go down there.
We should play tag.
Yeah.
Guys, next video we're probably gonna play tag.
Yeah.
If you don't know what that is, well,
So search it up on YouTube.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
A whole bunch of different because I'm so awesome and cool. Is that a gift?
We got our food, guys.
We just got our food. We just got our food. We just got our food so we can eat our food.
Here you go.
Thanks for the fries.
And I got some ketchup.
Down in the fries.
I dropped one of my friends. Guys, after this, after we're done eating, we're gonna go play with our friends on the trampoline. Guys, if you don't know who our friends are, we'll comment down below. Ready?
Did you tell them to smash the like button, Alex?
I sure did.
No, you say that at the end.
No, I said yeah.
People at least watch the beginning of videos, so you want to say it at the beginning.
Oh, by the way, guys, hit the follow button too.
Just been to this YouTube video.
Not follow, like,
People are following me.
Somebody's watching me.
What's your mother doing?
laundry.
Yeah, she's always doing stuff to make the house better.
For me and my brother. Guys, I just got honey mustard.
Eating a burger with all the mustard.
I got chicken nuggets.
I really don't know what to do here. Now this video is getting a bit long. I think we should put it off and continue this later. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Beans is stuffing her face right now.